I'm very excited about this future collaboration. I like the strategy of Infinitus. I understand that they are based on a very long tradition of Chinese medicine, and they want to innovate and they want to continue this, and also to give more structural basis, molecular basis, mode of action basis to their work. And I'm really happy that our group can participate in this and be helpful with the means which we have.
So the idea is to test products from Infinitus herbal polysaccharides for their effect on antiviral immunity. So this is something of interest because there's this long-standing history of using extracts from plants in traditional Chinese medicine to cure viruses, and no evidence of the mechanism. And so for us, doing basic research, we're very interested in testing the mode of action of these molecules on our models of infection. And this has been addressed, but there's also the innate immune system, which is responsible for inflammation and represents the first barrier to infection. And testing the effect of herbal polysaccharides from traditional Chinese medicine on innate immunity, I think very promising. Things are of course much more complicated, and we know that always several parameters that are varying, and so we need to take a more global picture to really understand how disease progress and how we can stop disease. And so more and more we realize it's important to look at the scale of the whole animal. And I think in this regard we go towards the philosophy of traditional Chinese medicine, which is holistic and studies the organisms as a whole. And so I view this as an ideal opportunity to try to bridge these two ways to approach healthcare.
We ourselves have been focusing on intestinal host defenses for more than 10 years and have developed many different infection models and study in the fly, and this is really what we intend to do by seeing our different models and seeing how these different aspects of inflammation and microbiota are influenced and modulated by Chinese herbs.
The expectation on our side will be through the analysis of herbal medicine, which has effects as Infinitus has shown, to find new bioactive molecules and to see how they act in our systems, in our established systems, on longevity, on fighting infections, on fighting diseases and cancer and so on. And so this will be really novel, a novel approach, and that's very exciting for us.